Darwin Award nominee, Flatbush, New York, 1880s cause of elimination from the gene pool. Over-engineering an alarm clock. Meet Sam Wardell, a lamplighter in Flatbush, whose life goal was simple: don't oversleep. To guarantee punctuality, Sam designed a 19th-century Rube Goldberg alarm. His masterpiece? An ordinary clock wired to a shelf that held a 10-pound stone. When the alarm rang, the shelf collapsed and the stone hit the floor with a resounding crash. Voila! Human instantly awake. It was flawless. Until Christmas Eve. After a party, Sam shoved his bed back into the room without much thought. At dawn, his ingenious device did exactly what it was built to do: release the stone. Unfortunately, gravity aimed the wake-up call directly at Sam's forehead. Thus, in one glorious bonk, Sam transitioned from lamplighter to lampshade.